Ross. Sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, I painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any female. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email.
Hello everyone, welcome back, and right now we are currently inside this Florida here at the Starbucks, and we currently are doing a motorcycle takeover here, and currently we are heading down to the Dunkin' Donuts, and then we are having a meet there. But yeah, let me actually pop a wheelie real quick if I don't crash. There we go. Alright, almost spun out there, but yeah, we're pretty good so far. We have quite some bikers out today. We're currently heading down to the Dunkin' Donuts. Switch lanes over here. And let's U-turn over here and then head into the Dunkin'. Have a little motorcycle meetup. Check out people's bikes here today. But we are at the Dunkin'. And we finally made it, guys, here at the Dunkin' Donuts. Oh my goodness, I just fell right into the ditch there. Oops. But here we are at the Dunkin'. Let's park our bike over here. As you see, everybody actually has the same bike as me, mainly. As you guys see, we do have a lot of people with the same bikes, because this is the best bike in Southeast Florida. My bike cost around $200,000. A very fast bike. It has a top speed of like 200 something. Pretty good. But the thing does wheelies pretty well too. As you guys see, we have a lot of people. Let's head in and get some coffee. Something. Alright, we are waiting in line. Everybody feel free to get some. This guy just got me. Alright. So everyone feel free to just grab some coffee. We are going to get some coffee here, maybe a donut. At the meetup here, we have a Dunkin' employee here that is willing to serve us. So yeah, just wait for this guy to order, and then we'll be ready to order after. Alright guys, I'm almost ready to order here. We do have a lot of bike members here. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, let me order now. The chat is slow today. Okay, I think I'll just get a coffee and maybe a donut. But yeah, I think that's it. I think I'll just get a coffee. Not too hungry yet, so I don't think I'm going to get a donut yet. So yeah, let me get a coffee here. How much is this? I think it's like $5 or something. But yeah. Anything else? No. So here we go. Got our donut. There we go. Just got my coffee over here, guys. Very yummy coffee. I think we're just gonna head out here. Look at the bikes. We have some new members. We have a P1 over there. But here we have a very clean bike. I really like the look of this bike. Pretty nice looking bike there. And we do have a lot of these types of bikes, as you guys see. But we do have one over here with green rims. Very nice color choice of rims there. But yeah, just finished my coffee there, guys. That was a very nice coffee. But we do have a P1 here too. Pretty nice. Has carbon fiber lip. But yeah, do have a lot of bikes out today. But yeah, let's wait for everyone to grab their coffee. How many people are still ordering here? Still are waiting for 3 more people to order. And then after that, we'll be set to head down, have a little takeover ride out, probably do some wheelies. Hopefully we don't crash. But yeah, I think after this we're gonna head over to the stud rack and get some gas for our bikes, and then start driving down, doing some wheelies and yeah. Alrighty guys, we are currently over here going to grab some gas over here at the stud rack. So we are getting some gas before we start doing a ride out. So let me grab some gas real quick. I am pretty full on gas, but I think I'll just fill it just in case there. $2 in gas there. Honestly, I'm gonna take this thing in the car wash. Oh my goodness, just hit the curb there. There we go. Let's take this thing to the car wash. Nice and clean. My clothes are now wet. Oh, and I just died. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's just get back on our bike like nothing happened. But I think we should be good. Alright, let's head down to the beach. But yeah. Alright, so right now we are gonna have a little takeover, riding down to the spawn here. Do some wheelies here. Here we are. Let's turn here. Start doing some wheelies. Actually, not yet. I'm gonna crash. There we go. See how long I can hold a wheelie? Oh my goodness, never mind. I almost crashed. There we go. See how long I can hold this wheelie? Pretty dangerous. Oh my goodness, I almost fell. I cannot hold a wheelie, guys. There we go. There we go, guys. We are holding a wheelie. And oh my goodness, I'm gonna crash. Oh, and I just died again, guys. Oh my goodness. That was crazy. Everybody is flying down the road right now. I've just crashed my bike there. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's just do another attempt. Here we go. Do some wheelies here. Right, we are holding the wheelie, guys. Oh my goodness. There we go. Pretty clean wheelie there. Did not crash that time. Oh, never mind. I just crashed right there. Okay, one last wheelie there. And here we are at the beach, guys. Pretty cool. This guy's doing some like wheelie donuts or something there. Pretty cool. But yeah, pretty cool. Nice. Pretty nice view here at the beach down here. Really like the view. Now we are just watching the sunset go down. There we go. The sun has just set it. It's now dark here in Southwest Florida. Pretty nice beach here. It's pretty empty right now because it is 6 p.m. But yeah, that was a very nice sunset, guys. I think that will conclude this video, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload. Subscribe so we can reach 3,000 subscribers. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any females. Got a shorty block.